Welcome back to the channel. It's been a really long time since Prem, how are you doing? It's been a really long time since I actually shot a video, and I've been lazy. Quite frankly, I've been very lazy. I haven't shot a video. look at his face, he's just staring at me. So anyways, guys, the project for this week is this Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 GT. By the way, this bike is going to get like a complete makeover. So the rims and the spokes are going to get painted black. So right now we're decontaminating the entire thing before it goes in for painting tomorrow. The tank is going to get buffed, cleaned and ceramic coated. We're also going to be giving the rear wheels and rims for painting for black. So that's going to have a big change. We're going to shine the entire exhaust and the engine. The rear bumper and the front bumper both are going to get wrapped in matte black. So that's going to be really nice. So the entire bike is going to get a great makeover. Just going to finish off with the decontamination wash before we go on to the next step, and I'm going to take you through the entire process of this bike. You can see a nice before on this bike, and we're going to keep showing you the process as we keep going through it, so you can stay updated as to what all modifications we're doing on this bike. Hey guys, so this is to give you an update of the work that's happening on the Interceptor. Mask is here, पूरा नहीं उतारा because sure बोलेंगे भैया mask ही पहन लो, तो I've just removed it for the video. I want to show you what's going on with this bike right now. So we're detailing this entire bike. By the way, we wrapped the bumpers. That's how they look post the wrapping. This has to be wiped, by the way. When it's going to be wiped, it'll look a lot better and shiny. But it does not look like it's wrapped. So this doesn't look like it's wrapped. It's painted. And we've done such a good job that people actually think that this is painted from the company. It's wrapped. It's not painted. We have painted the spokes and the rims as well. And it looks this honestly, the black looks amazing. I love black alloy wheels. Kind of looks stealth. And we put the film on the headlight as well, so it's got this really nice black theme going for it with the chrome tank that is completely shining. So we're doing the detailing for this right now to kind of like shine the tank. So I'm going to like show you what we do. This is the third stage of polishing before we do the ceramic coating, so we kind of get all the scratches out from the chrome. So this process ensures that you have no scratches left, and the shine really increases. You got like a fantastic shine on it. We polished the entire exhaust as well with the machine, so you can see the shine right now. We opened the suspension, cleaned out the entire thing, polished each and every part of this bike, as you can see is shining because we polished it. This, by the way, the bumper that you see here, the bumper is not stock of this color. We wrapped it and it looks like it's painted. So then again, that's wrapped. Painted the back alloy wheels also black. So overall, I mean, this bike just looks so much more different and so much shinier and better from when it came in. We just have an engine block restoration that's also happening. So right now, as you can see, that faded thing, that's all solution on it, which will rub off with the machine. We clean the cylinder heads and the pipes all the way to the back, so it's all shiny and got that crank and burner finish on it. So that's to give you an idea of the kind of work we do on this bike. Should take another few hours and this bike is going to be ready. It's going, by the way, this bike is going directly to Dehradun from the workshop. So we're going to get loaded into a truck and it'll go directly to Dehradun. I had so much fun working on this project. We're also going to do a cinematic shoot. So honestly, I love working on this bike because it was a very different project rather than just a detailing project. It was a custom project, and I really had a lot of fun working on it. I loved seeing the outcome. So the best part about working on these projects is to see the outcome, or how it kind of how it all comes together in the end. That is the most beautiful part, and the client loves the way the bike has come out. Honestly, I love the way the bike is. I mean, it just looks so beautiful. This is by the Harley Davidson that's coming. It honestly just looks so well put together. Like the ideas that we had, the execution has happened just according to how we wanted, and I think this is probably one of my most favorite projects up until now because it just looks so damn good. By the way, my bike is there. Done with the entire bike and it looks fabulous. Just look at those mag wheels, looks amazing. We actually wrapped the front fenders and it looks like it's been painted. It's not even been wrapped. That's the kind of quality of wrap we do. Wrap the headlights and these wheels just look bomb. Honestly, the whole black look looks amazing, and we've shined and done a ceramic coating, complete mirror finish on the tank. It looks beautiful. We shined the engine and we shined the entire exhaust, so this bike looks perfect.